I'll start. Which one?
Good evening, everyone. A great show to conclude day 3 of Lakme Fashion Week. We just saw Rahul Mishra for Project Eve. I'd like to take this opportunity to give the mic to Mr. Pradeep Ramachandran, Business Head Project Eve, to talk about the collaboration with Rahul Mishra and what was the ideation when creating such a beautiful show.
Thank you. It's fun.
Good evening to all of you, and thank you for coming this evening. Before I talk about the collaboration with Rahul Mishra and the fact that Shraddha has graciously consented to walk the ramp for us, I'd just like to spend a little bit of time telling you about what Project Eve is all about. Project Eve is today a unique, first of its kind fashion and lifestyle destination for the woman of today in India. Designed keeping this woman at the helm, Project Eve is crafted to deliver an experience that sees the merger of fashion retailing on one hand, hospitality on the other, beauty on the third, and even perhaps food. The store houses a collection of some very highly differentiated brands, including private brand, some international brands, and some, of course, national brands as well. Project Eve stores today are available in Bombay and Bangalore, and very soon you'll see Project Eve dotting other cities in the country as well. We are today extremely proud to be associated with Rahul Mishra, a designer who's been actually very instrumental in taking local Indian art and craft forms to an international platform like that of Paris Fashion Week. The outstanding collection you saw today would be available in Project Eve stores by the end of August. We are extremely fortunate to have Shraddha with us today. As you all know, Shraddha is a fashion icon and actually a true representative of the contemporary Indian woman of today. Project Eve stands for celebrating this woman. I now hand over the mic to Rahul, who will speak a few words about the range, the inspiration, and of course our collaboration as well.
Hello everyone, thanks a lot for being here. And I'm really glad to be back in Bombay at Lakme Fashion Week doing the show. And I'm really grateful to the Reliance Trends team as a Project team for believing in the idea that handloom can be mass produced. And we are looking at this as a small start, I would say a small step, but it can be a giant leap in terms of how we can generate more and more employment for the handloom sector. I would like to bring attention over here, like usually when designers, like me also, when we work at handloom, we only work with the top-end master karigars. When we showcase that handloom or runway, the best handloom we showcase. Like any other field, top-the-line people in handloom industry also might be 5 to 10%. What about rest 90% of viewers, which are missing out opportunity of working for us and becoming probably master karigars in the process. So I really feel Rahul Mishra for Project Eve as a collection can bring about that newness in craft sector, which might or may able to, and I'm very hopeful it will be able to employ thousands of weavers from different parts of India. Today what we have done was an example of Chanderi, Maheshwari, River, Banarasi put together. Some of the collections straight off runway, they are available in the store. Some of the collections are being planned for next 6 months down the line. So we have tried to do amalgamation of everything. The collection is called the Bird Song. I heard the chirping of birds while my visit to Chanderi, where I was weaving this. Goraya is very common word, like sparrow, and the chirping of newborn and everything, they live in a flock, had been a biggest inspiration. And this entire collection was just imitating that bird song and try to do something out of the inspiration. Thank you. As a designer, I have always believed like any showstopper should be able to have true representation of the collection which you bring about. A lot of times I restrain from using showstoppers because probably the truthfulness of the exuberance of youth, the bird song, everything. If I say bird song, first actress which comes to mind is Shraddha Kapoor. So I will hand over the mic to her.
It's a very nice thing you said. Thank you. Such a sweet thing you said. Bird songs are so beautiful to hear. So thank you so much. I'm really, really privileged to have walked today for you, and thank you for having me. Because when you walk for somebody who has such immense faith in what he is doing, and I think it's tremendously commendable the way that he is supporting the handloom industry, the way that he was mentioning about it. So I feel like, when you give due credit to the artisans who make the garments, of course he is the face of it. They are his garments. His name is on the beautiful clothes. But for him to give the credit to his they would be your stars, who create your clothes. So I think that is really commendable. Yes.
They're like hands.
Right.
So they're like whole body, and designer works like the brain. That's it.
Can you take us through the embroidery we saw in the collection?
Actually, I just last week was my India Couture Week show, so it was a challenging task for me in a way. Although this collection, Handloom, I keep working throughout the year, and unfortunately, I was not getting chance to showcase it because I only do India Couture Week. Second is Paris Fashion Week, so 2 Paris Fashion Weeks I'm doing. So coming back to Lakme was a great opportunity for me to show the newness what we could bring about handloom, and at the same time the kind of work which I was able to do with Project Eve. Actually, this embroidery was an extension of idea in a new artistic form. Although this embroidery represents brand Rahul Mishra's idea of showcasing lightweight couture, something which can be worn by today's women, and somebody like Shraddha, if she loves driving, she can drive wearing this.
Very comfortable.
And this is extremely lightweight, very easy to handle,
Yes.
and 100% handmade. I'm really proud of these artisans, these embroiderers, weavers I work with. They are gift of God to us, and I could not have even one personal success, whether it's Paris or India, without them. So all thanks to them.
Shraddha, what was your reaction when you saw the collection, and especially this showstopper outfit?
My reaction was just wow, and I have to say that everyone, my friends, my family, they were really excited that I was walking for him, because along with me, even they really love his work, and the kind of response that his work garners is, when I ask my friends, what is it, and they say that it's just how he makes each garment with so much detailing. And I asked you that 2 of my best friends wanted to come and see the show as well today. And let me tell you, my friends do not show excitement very easily. And today they were like, we want to come for your show and we want to see the clothes in person. And, they're very non-forgiving in terms of what I wear, what I don't wear. They were very thrilled when I shared the picture of my outfit as well today, and I got a full thumbs up from all my friends, and they are my biggest critics. And they said, these are the kind of clothes you should wear, Shraddha. This is what you should. And so back to your question in terms of what you asked me about his collection, I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's if each garment would have a melody, it would be a bird song. So it was really, it's stunning.
Shraddha, it's a bird song collection. So, what bird do you relate to yourself?
What bird do I think maybe we should ask Rahul. If I was a bird, which bird would I be?
I think maybe a swan. That's why
Oh,
she's wearing
wow.
a swan lenga.
Wow. I definitely appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Rahul, you never believed in the concept of showstopper before. So how you convinced yourself to have a Bollywood face for your show?
So this again, I knew it was coming. Although, it's just about being right fit. And let me tell you, without saying anything, that we had a few options from Project Eve's side, because ultimately, when I create my brand, it is for certain people. They understand everything directly, the poetry. But sometimes when Project Eve wants to reach out to the larger audience with amazing price points, obviously, like Bollywood is one of the strongest reasons, strongest face what a good cause can have. And ultimately, when I got to know about Shraddha, like it was very natural excitement amongst everybody. Divya to everybody was like unanimously excited. And this was one exception which came from a team. Let me tell you this also.
So I want to add something to it. जो डिज़ाइनर कभी भी शो स्टॉपर नहीं रखता, उसने मुझे चुना, तो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कि जो अपने विचार को बदल सके, बिकॉज उनके विजन के हिसाब से उन्हें लगा कि मैं फिट हो पाई, तो आई थिंक वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. एंड विच ऑल्सो सेज दैट ही स्टेज ट्रू टू हिज क्राफ्ट. यस.
So is the brand Rahul Mishra going to associate with more Bollywood faces in the future?
I don't know, I can't say much, but right now I'm very excited with this space. I'm excited. I would be really happy if we can continue collaborating with Shraddha as much as possible. She has been, very honestly, like any brand, whether it's India or international, or you talk about Givenchy, working with some international Hollywood celebrity, everywhere you have a close connect of films and fashion together. And although I had a privilege of dressing up quite a few beautiful girls in Bollywood, and they have been liking my product, and they have been asking. There were a lot of requests. In for couture collection I got. Although using showstopper is like one of the very, very beautiful thing which for this collection we could do. And I also feel as a brand I'm evolving every day. Today what I feel right, I'm doing. Tomorrow what I feel right, I have to do. There's nothing like a dogma or nothing like a rigid ideology. Rigidity is opposite of designing. I think it's all about adaptability. It's all about doing something new which people do not expect. And I'm happy you do not expect this. This is happening. It's nice.
Okay, and correct me if I'm wrong, with this particular range, you are going into the mass market thing,
Yeah.
right? So how this collaboration is going to have like better extension in future, maybe if you can talk
I really feel like what I thought about behind this collaboration, one is actually there are two ends of market. One is extreme producer who is producing handloom. We go with this idea, the fair pricing has to go to him. We do not bargain much with the weavers. We give them enough leeway and time. Second thing is we cut out all the middlemen between retailer and even including designer. I'm no longer a middleman in that. I'm just a designer who is designing the line, and then after that it's called Project Eve, which works directly with weaver to make sure weaver does it, and we produce it with new techniques of production, modern age technique of production in terms of tailoring the garment. But weaving is a most age-old idea which employs and empowers more and more rural weavers of India. Ultimately, if we want a better India, we have to have more employment going back to rural part of India, so the cities can be a bit more crowd-free. And we have to, and this is one step which can bring tremendous recipe for better employment across villages of India.
I think it's just to add, it's a process of rediscovering the Indian art forms, the Indian art and craft forms, which perhaps I think in our quest for modernity has been somewhere left behind. And therefore it's a challenge actually really to look at, art forms being sustained, because a lot of it is done through hand and therefore needs to be passed on from one generation to the other. It's a challenge, it's an uphill battle, but I think we stand committed in terms of encouraging this, not really taking to the masses, but yes, in the sense, taking it to a much, much larger platform than what it is today.
Shraddha,
Thank you.
what is the festive look to you for this season?
Last question.
तो गणपति आ रहा है और घर पे पूरी तरह से तैयारियां हो रही है और एक्चुअली आई वॉज गोइंग टू रिक्वेस्ट यू इफ आई कुड एक्चुअली बी ड्रेस्ड बाय यू फॉर द फेस्टिवल. अभी आपने पूछ ही लिया है तो इट्स ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू आंसर, बट आई फील गणपति जो है मेरे घर में वी बिन सेलिब्रेटिंग सिंस मैनी 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 ईयर्स. सो गणेश चतुर्थी, so definitely Indian, and if he will dress me then definitely I would love to wear something by him. We have 1.5 day Ganpati मेरे घर पे नहीं, actually मेरे मासी के घर पे, but I call it my home only. It's just under my building, so yes.
Last question.
Shraddha, how does it feel to be associated with Project Eagle? You spoke about with Rahul Mishra.
Yes.
What about Project Eagle, the unique concepts you spoke about?
Absolutely. In fact, हमने पहले कुछ किया है. We did an integration together on social media, and I was very happy to be a part of it. I think it's a one-of-a-kind experience that they provide for women, and I've heard a lot about their store, and I've been urged to go and see it and to really experience it. They have mood lighting in their changing rooms as per. If you want to see how the dress looks at night, you can change the lighting in the dressing room. And their dressing rooms are even larger than a regular dressing room with a seating inside for, how girls when they go shopping, most of the times nothing except for them only in the bag though is out only almost. So there's no place to keep the bag. So when he was telling me the facilities that they offer, that there is even a desk for the bag. There is an additional chair with a charging point inside the changing room to make your shopping experience that much enjoyable. Because भले ही हम कपड़े देख ले, पर when you have to go and try it, you're like, okay, is it going to be fun? So I think all the best, and I'm sure that this new concept of this experiential visiting a store and having that entire experience is going to really make a lot of women and girls happy.
Thank you so much. That concludes the poster conference. A request to all of our panel to please come ahead so we can take forward the
So just a minute, one slide. Sir, you're both of you. You're both of you right here. Solo. Sit down, solo. To the right. To the right. To the right.